a flower and a card. And who's the flower from? Oh, nobody? Oh, you brought the card too. Bring it here. Yeah. This is yours. Where are you? Are you having a baby? Oh, sweetie pie. Thank you for this. I said, who brought me flour? You said nothing. She wrote me a card. And they brought it to me upstairs, and I thought, this is so sweet. I read it really quick. Dear Max, life is a journey. Thank you for keeping me company, and most of all, for making me laugh. You have a magic way to touch people's body. From afar away. I'm sitting in the back and I'm pregnant. I'll be giving birth.